Hello everyone. Now we discussed when no separate set of books are maintained for joint venture activity. In that there is a method for to calculating the profit or loss in the joint venture activity. The first method, when each co-venture maintains joint venture account along with other co-venture account. The parties are to be maintain the joint venture account along with other co-venture account. And along with second situation, when both the co-ventures maintain the books. If X, for example, X and Y in the co-ventures in the particular venture activity, those both co-venture, X and Y are to be maintain the books in the company, and that time we need to prepare the memorandum joint venture account. Now we'll see the first situation. When each co-venture maintain the joint venture account along with co-venture account. Okay, what are the journal entries are to be involved when the company is going to be maintain the separate separate set of books under both the venture. See, now first one, when cash or goods introduced by joint venture. If any cash or goods are introduced by the joint venture, the entry will be joint venture account data to cash or bank account. When goods are supplied from own stock, any venture, any co-venture supplied the any goods or maybe the material from his own stock. So on that time the entry will be joint venture account data to purchase account. The next one, when cash or goods contributed by co-ventures. If any goods to be contributed by co-ventures in the joint venture activity, and that time entry will be joint venture account data to concerned co-venture account. The next situation, when any expenses are paid, any expenses paid in the company, either cash or bank, now the entry will be joint venture account data to cash or bank account. The next one, if any expenses paid by the co-venture in above situation paid through bank, that entry will be joint venture account data to cash or bank account. In this situation, when expenses paid by co-ventures, the entry will be joint venture account data to concerned co-venture account. In the next situation, when goods are sold for cash, if any goods or material sold for cash basis in the venture activity, the entry will be cash or bank account data to joint venture account. In the next one, when goods sold on credit basis, if any materials or goods sold on credit basis in the venture activity, the entry will be the sundry debtors account data to joint venture account. The next one, if any goods are sold by co-ventures, here when the company only selling the cash or credit basis, that will be taken from the above situation. Now any goods or materials sold by the co-ventures only, and that time entry will be concerned co-venture account data to joint venture account. The next situation, when cash is received from debtors, if any goods sold on credit basis, and that time will be received the cash after the some period, taken the cash. So on that time entry will be cash or bank account data to sundry debtors account. The next situation, when discount allowed to debtors or bad debts on debtors. If any discount allowed, if you people are taking the or selling the any goods on credit basis, the discount to be allowed, on that time entry will be joint venture account data to sundry debtors account. The next situation, when cash or bills receivable received from other co-venture. If any cash or bills receivable, if you are received from other than the firm co-venture, and that time will be entry taken like cash or bills receivable account data to concerned co-venture account. The next situation, when cash or bills payable are issued or given to co-ventures. If any cash or bills payable are issued or given to co-venture, payable to co-venture, and that time co-ventures account data to cash or bills payable account. In the next situation, when commissions or salary is receivable, if any commission or salary is receivable in the joint venture firm, the entry will be joint venture account data to commission or salary account. The next one, when unsold stock is taken into stock account. I mean, if any unsold stock is taken into stock account in the venture firm, and the time entry will be stock account data to joint venture account. The next situation, when unsold stock taken over by co-venture. If any unsold stock in the joint venture activity, and the time that stock will be taken by the co-venture, and the time entry will be co-venture's account data to joint venture account. If any profit in joint venture, and the time entry will be joint venture account data to P&L account. I mean, P&L account is considered as the share of the venture. I mean, if any share of venturer, that will be credited to the venture account to co-venture account. I mean, share of other co-venture. If any share of co-venture in the company, except that person, another person will be there, that that day that name will be credited. When balance of settlement, either issue, if people are received any cash or check or in any bill to be received from other co-venture, and that time entry will be cash or bank account data to concerned co-venture account. The next situation, when balance of payment is to be paid to other co-venture, entry is concerned co-venture's account data to bills payable account. Till now, we seen what are the journal entries involved in when each any one co-venture are to be maintained the separate set of books. Now we'll see the what are